Now this piece of opal is actually a chip from a beautiful stone. It was a harlequin pattern.
So Paul and I had a discussion about this piece, and he liked one side and I liked the other. So what we did, we got a black texture colour and we coloured in one side of the stone to represent what it would look like as a finished doublet. And then we cleaned it off and coloured in the other side. It was pretty obvious that the side with the grooves in it had the better pattern, so that's how we decided to go that way.
So the first step we've got to do is put the glue on.
Now the main thing to be careful of is air bubbles. That's one of the biggest troubles with making doublets. There's a few air bubbles there already, isn't there?
Yeah, what we'll try and do is push them out when we put the piece of opal on there. So the trick is, I just made some doublets yesterday and I pushed a little bit hard on the crystal when I was putting it together, and to get the air bubbles out, and I squashed the glue out a little bit, and it lost some of its transparency. It became transparent and it didn't project the colour the way I was happy with.
Right.
So I had to grind the backs off them again today.
And redo it.
And redo them, which is a bit of a pest.
Yeah. So you're just gently trying to push air bubbles out.
And still leave some glue in between the opal and the potch.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, yeah, I think that's...
How's that looking?
Okay, that looks good, yeah.
Okay, so now pretty much we've just got to leave it for at least 24 hours to get hard.
Yeah, we'll come back tomorrow and finish it.
Beautiful. Checking if that glue is dried, and it looks like it's dried okay. Just wet that to see how the pattern's going on there. Yeah, that looks pretty good. I think it's ready to go and trim it up and maybe cut a stone.